This program is an introduction to compression molding. Compression molding is one of the most common methods of producing high-volume composite parts and components. These parts and components are manufactured for use throughout various industries, including transportation, electrical, construction, and more. Both thermosets and thermoplastics may be compression molded, with thermosets being the primary type of materials used. The compression molding process typically involves placing a pre-cut, pre-weighed charge of material onto the lower half of a heated mold. The heated upper half of the mold is then lowered rapidly, causing the charge to flow, compressing it to the required density and shape as defined by the mold. With some presses, the lower half of the mold moves upwards, forcing the mold halves together. Once the material cures under the heat and pressure, the press opens, and the compression molded part is demolded, typically with the assistance of an ejector system. After demolding, any flash is removed. This is done either manually or through the use of deflashing processes such as abrasive blasting. Several factors influence the molding conditions during compression molding.